The Rambo Ranger is the first of its kind in the Rambo lineup, making it completely foldable and storable with ease. When designing the Rambo Ranger, we kept in mind weight and mobility as a high priority, but also keeping that Rambo tough exterior. And today, we're going to show you how you can easily fold and unfold your Rambo Ranger. Before folding down the Ranger, it's good to note that you are also able to fold the pedals as well. You can do this by pressing the pedals inwards and then folding them up. This is not necessary to fold down the Ranger completely, but does come in handy when you need just a little bit more room, and it helps prevent the pedals from hooking onto any fabric. The first step in folding down your Rambo Ranger is to start by unhooking the clamp that is located at the bottom of the frame near the pedals by pushing on the small locking pin on the clamp and then flipping out the clamp completely. Once the frame clamp is unhooked, you can now rotate the front end of the bike completely backwards as shown. You can then unhook the next clamp that is located at the bottom of the handlebar stem by pressing on the silver pin and pushing the clamp out. This will unhook the stem, allowing you to fold the handlebars down. With it completely folded, you can now store your Rambo Ranger with ease. You'll also notice that there is a strap located on the back end of the bike on top of the rack. This is to help lift the Rambo Ranger if needed. In order to unfold your bike, you can follow these steps in reverse order to fold your bike into its original position. Fold the handlebars upright and relocking it into position with the handlebar clamp until you hear a click. You can then fold front half of the bike completely forward and then relocking the frame with the frame clamp until you hear a click. Before heading out to ride your Ranger, it's always good to recheck the locking clamps to make sure they're completely secure. You're now ready to enjoy the Rambo Ranger. Be sure to follow and tag us on social media with your Rambo Ranger experiences.